Okay, Y11, we are continuing with the topic of school and we're now looking at achievements so that you can say what you have done and what you're proud of within school. In terms of your learning journey, we'll be looking at using the past, present and future and recognising them in one text. We'll use reading techniques to tackle 2 exam style tasks which you will find in a reading exam. And then finally, you'll be able to apply at least 3 tenses to talk about your own achievements. For this lesson, you will need a pen, paper and a stopwatch, and you will be asked at certain times to pause the video in order to complete the directed tasks. To begin your 11, you need to écrire la date, copy le titre, which is Je suis fier de moi, and then as you can see, you've got 6 statements in French. To begin with, I just want you to look at them and write down which tense you think each one is in, so whether that's the present, past or future, paying particular attention to the verbs and why they are that tense. I then want you to translate the 6 sentences into English, and then finally I want you to adapt A, B and C to describe your own achievements at school. Now these can of course be made up. For this task you have 7 minutes, so please set your watch to 7 minutes, pause this video and off you go. For this next activity, year 11, you can see that you've got 4 people, Jack, Isabella, Adam and Sophia, talking about their achievements. Your first activity is to match up each person, so Jack, Isabella, Adam and Sophia, to a picture. So just write the name of the person and the number of the picture. Your second task involves the table at the bottom of the video. You can see the headings of doing at the moment, already done and going to do in the future. Your task is for each person to fill in that table in English. I expect you also be able to do the doing at the moment, some of you to do the going to do in the future, and some of you to be able to do the already done part of the table. For this task you have 15 minutes, so pause this video, set your time to 15 minutes and good luck. For this next part of the lesson, year 11, you have 2 exam style questions. The first one at the top of the slide is a gap fill. All you need to do in the presentation is write out the number that you're filling in and the missing word from the bottom box. Therefore, you do not need to write out the whole text. Your second task is a translation activity. You have 6 sentences starting with number 1, I remember at the rugby team, and you need to use the writing frame in order to translate them. These 6 sentences are in the past, present and future, therefore you need to decide which tense you're going to use. You will need to adapt the writing frame as not all of the answers are provided. For this task, in order to complete both activities, you have 15 minutes, so pause this video and good luck. Your final task, year 11, is for you to be able to talk about your achievements in school. Like any French writing task, this does not have to be true, however it does need to make sense. So I expect you to be able to talk about what you are doing at the moment and what you are proud of. I want you to be able to talk about what you're going to do in the future to be proud of, and some of you may also be able to use the past tense to talk about what you've already done to be proud of. You should aim for around 40 to 50 words, and you can use a text from the previous activities to add vocabulary that you can edit, adapt and improve. I also implore all of you to look at the Key Stage 4 booklet uploaded for extra stuff such as time phrases and intensifiers, but also especially the star structures in order to add extra quality to your work. For this task you have 15 minutes, so please pause this video, set your time to 15 minutes and good luck. Okay, year 11, thank you for completing this lesson. Hope you completed all of the tasks, and can you please make sure that your 40 to 50 word describing your own achievement is uploaded onto class charts. Thank you.